When I recently had to look for some low sodium options for my husband, I found it's really hard to find some good recipes. This one is a game changer. So if you've got high blood pressure, just gotta stay away from sodium, this is for you. This is my low sodium cod stir fry. Comes together in a matter of minutes. Trust me, you're gonna love it. Let's get to cooking. Behind me here, I've got my griddle on medium high. On that side, I have medium low. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil on there, and then I'm gonna add all my veggies. Now, whatever you got in your fridge, really, but for me, for this dish, I love some broccoli and some zucchini. I've been on a zucchini kick lately. Just got those thinly sliced and chopped in half. I've got some cherry tomatoes that were on sale, halved, and then a little bit of pre-diced onion just to cut out some time. But also what really works for this recipe is sliced Vidalia onions or even red onions as well. Just a couple of seasonings on this. We're gonna do a little bit of oregano here and some paprika. I would say about a half a teaspoon of each. Little bit of Mrs. Dash. And we're just going to toss here, grab these spatulas. Once you got a good toss on this, we're gonna add some water because we wanna steam those veggies real good, especially the broccoli. Again, toss it. What you're looking for on these veggies is a good sear. You want a good sear to that. Now, because this is low sodium, we're not trying to use any salt or butter for that matter. But let's get down to the best part of this, and that is the fish. So here's a little trick. This is parchment paper. When I'm cooking a very delicate white fish, I found that putting a little bit of parchment paper down, oil first, really helps save the fish, where the fish is not really falling apart on you as you're trying to flip it or pick it up. So we're gonna lay this down like so. It is very hot, so I'm gonna use my spatulas to assist me here. And then on top of your parchment paper, add a little bit of oil. I'm using avocado oil. And what that's gonna do, it's gonna allow for a cooking platform for your fish. Here is our beautiful cod. I've also done this with flounder as well. Really, whatever kind of white flaky fish that you have, maybe it's something that you've caught and you wanna cook. There we go. My husband absolutely loved when I made this dish. Very, very flavorful, being that there's not a lot of sodium in it, which was really awesome. Okay, to that, we're just gonna add a little bit of a sprinkle of paprika on the fish here. Just enough. And then we're gonna add a little bit of pepper. And last but certainly not least, you're gonna add some Mrs. Dash. Now there's a bunch of Mrs. Dash flavors. You can try out whatever you want. I like the original for this specific recipe, but they've got all sorts of different ones. They've got garlic and herb. That's a really good one as well. Okay, so that one's good. So here's the deal. With these fish, they're gonna cook real quick. I'm talking 2-3 minutes on each side, and that is it. So let's move back to the veggies. Okay, while these are cooking, we are going to put down our rice. Now I've got some microwavable bagged rice. I love this for a go-to, just quick and easy, all in one. Gonna add it right into the center here. Okay, and I'm using a large family size bag, but I'm actually gonna prep. This is a meal prep for me and dinner as well. So I'm gonna be making enough to make me some lunch for the next day. Add your water, toss this up real good. We're gonna let all this cook down and then we'll be right back. We've seasoned one side of the fish. Now it's time to flip it over like a little baby. Be really gentle when you flip it over because it is a flaky white fish. Then we're gonna season that other side. Now, our rice is about done here, so we're gonna go ahead and pull that off into our bowl. And don't forget, I'm also making me a little meal prep side, so I'm gonna plate this into my other bowl, which is gonna be for my to-go. Once that rice is down, we are now gonna head back to our veggies. They're looking delicious. It is time to move these off the griddle and plate as well. I like to add my veggies on one side of the bowl, one side of the to-go container, just to allow for some room for my fish. Now that we've seasoned the other side of that fish, we're just gonna flip it over one more time, just to allow for it all to get nice and crispy. It only takes about 30 seconds. And now it's time to pull it off. It is absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna do 2 fillets on each part of my dish here. Once we have all these plated, we're gonna add some lemon juice on top. I love lemon juice on any seafood, but really this just kicks it up a notch on the veggies, the rice, and the fish. Once you squeeze that lemon juice on top of this dish, then you're gonna add a drizzle of your balsamic reduction. This is really flavorful. It really does add that pop of sweetness to this dish. And trust me, it's gonna be delicious. My goodness. I'm literally salivating. This looks so good. I love the fact that this is a low sodium meal. This is very healthy. This goes with so many diets out there, but really it's just really good for your arteries. Okay, so I'm gonna go up here. I'm gonna grab this flaky piece right here and this zucchini here, a little bit of rice, and then we're gonna go in. My fork's not working with me. Here we go. Here we go. I love cod. I love a white flaky fish. It's so airy, but yet satiating. At the end of this meal, I always feel full, satiated, but then I also feel really good, very energetic. So if you are looking for something, whether it is a quick, easy weeknight meal, or if it's something you want to meal prep for the week, this is the dish for you. Just try it out. Whatever veggies you have in your fridge is perfect. Just remember to keep it quick, keep it simple, and most importantly, keep it delicious. My name's Taylor Mock, and I will see you on the next episode. That's a big bite. I'm going in. Cheers.